In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete responses on Surveymonkey. Whether you're tidying up your data or correcting any accidental entries, it's a straightforward process. So let's dive in and take you through the journey of managing your survey responses with ease and confidence. First, you'll need to begin by logging into your Surveymonkey account. It's important to make sure you're using the correct account that contains the survey you want to work with. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll see a dashboard that gives you an overview of all your surveys. This is your starting point for managing the responses you wish to delete. Next, locate and select the specific survey from which you'd like to delete responses. This may require a quick glance through your list of surveys, which can be organized by recency or customized folders. Once you find the relevant survey, click on it to open up the survey's options. Now shift your attention to the top of the page and click on the Analyze Results tab. This section is designed to give you insights into your collected data, but is also where you can begin the process of managing individual responses. The interface is intuitive, guiding you naturally with visual markers and easily readable icons. In this Analyze Results section, you'll find another tab labeled Individual Responses. Clicking on this tab allows you to view every response submitted to your survey. It's a comprehensive list where you can see each participant's answers laid out for easy access. With this view, you are now ready to start deleting responses. For each response that you wish to remove, look for the trash icon or the three-dot menu symbol located in the upper right corner of the response panel. This part of the interface is often depicted with a visible trash can icon, symbolizing deletion, or a menu where additional options are listed after clicking the three dots. Either of these options will lead you to the next step. Once you've clicked the appropriate icon or menu, select Delete. This action signals the system to prepare for the removal of the response. It's a crucial step where caution is advised to ensure you're targeting the correct entry. Finally, you'll be prompted with a confirmation message. Surveymonkey does this to prevent accidental deletions, which safeguards your important data. To proceed with the deletion, you'll need to confirm your choice. Upon confirmation, the response will be permanently removed from your survey results. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to deleting responses in Surveymonkey. By following these simple and logical steps, you'll maintain better control over your survey data, ensuring it remains accurate and relevant to your needs. Thank you for watching, and happy survey managing.